Hey there, beautiful souls! If you've ever felt like your days are spinning out of control, or you're just searching for a little more joy and balance, I've got something special for you today. Imagine having a simple tool that helps you take charge of your health, happiness, and peace of mind. Absolutely free. Let me introduce you to the free Wellbeing Planner. It's more than just a calendar or a to-do list. It's your personal space to track self-care, exercise, healthy meals, and even those little moments of relaxation that make life feel good. With easy-to-use pages, this planner is all about making your daily routines simple, not stressful. No matter where you are on your wellness journey, whether you're just starting out or you've been at it for a while, this planner meets you right where you are. You can set goals, reflect on your progress, and even jot down what you're grateful for. It's like having a gentle reminder each day to check in with yourself, breathe, and celebrate your wins, big or small. And let's be real, life can get busy and overwhelming. But with a Wellbeing Planner, you've got a little guide to keep your mind clear and your spirit lifted. You deserve to make time for you, your fitness, your mental health, your dreams. This free planner is here to help you organize your life, build healthy habits, and find that lasting peace you've been searching for. So go ahead, take the first step towards your best self. Download your free Wellbeing Planner now, and let's start this journey to happiness together. You've got this, friend.